this workshop is really for you. Here, the meditation is ordinary and a valuable component of contemporary life. तो ज़्यादा समय ना लेते हुए मैं अपने प्रिंसिपल मैम को इनवाइट करूँगा कि ये फॉर्मल इंट्रोडक्शन दें हमारे गेस्ट स्पीकर का आज मैडम प्रिंसिपल.
So to know more about the subtle functions of heart, perhaps I am going on the right track if sir would agree. So he will be able to explain it better. So for this we have very renowned person, Brigadier Narendra with us. Brigadier Narendra sir, he is dental surgeon by profession. So he served Indian Army for 36 years, served in Elite Special Forces for 3 years, and then was awarded Chief of Army Staff Commendation Card in 2010. Brigadier Sir served in Royal Army of Oman for 5 years on deputation, and he was dental advisor Indian Air Force for 3 years also. And presently, Brigadier Narendra is Zonal Coordinator, Heartfulness Institute for Punjab Zone. He is Heartfulness meditation trainer and has been practicing heartfulness for the last 20 years. Sir has conducted more than 20 workshops on heartfulness meditation in Army, Air Force, with various non-government organizations, with various schools, colleges, and many government organizations. I hope you will enjoy this program. Wish you all the best. I welcome you, sir, on behalf of my entire faculty and public members also. Welcome to this institution. And looking forward for healthy associations between our college and Heartfulness Club. Thank you, sir.
My sincere gratitude to Principal Ma'am and all of you to have invited me and given me this opportunity where I can share some of the aspects of heartfulness meditation, which I have been practicing for the last couple of years. You know, it will be appropriate if I tell you something about what actually Heartfulness Institute is. Personal training लेना उसका भी कोई चार्ज नहीं किया जाता, and it is being practiced in more than 130 countries across the globe, and there are about 18,000 trainers. जैसे हम आपके पास आए हैं, ऐसे ही पूरी दुनिया में 18,000 से ज़्यादा ट्रेनर्स हैं, and वो मिलियंस ऑफ अभ्यासी को ट्रेनिंग करवाते हैं. हमारा मिशन जो है इट्स वेरी सिंपल. It is a self-development through heart-centered living or lifestyle, which we preach or teach to the people, those who come for practice. And then, so this is one of the views of one of the functions which I attended. And this is the picture at night time. Ashram which is built in 1400 acres. I'll show you some of the pictures to give you just some idea. And this Global Heartfulness Center or the headquarters, it was inaugurated formally by Honorable President last year only. But this center is there for the last couple of years. This is a meditation hall. It is one of its own kind, and it can accommodate more than 1 lakh abhyasis at any given time. So this meditation hall itself is in 30 acres, and it has got one major hall, and there are 8 satellite halls which are 3-story. So this is one of the views of one of the functions which I attended. And this is the picture at night time. Now, because a lot of Abhyasis they go there, so there is a proper arrangement for accommodation. At any given time, we can accommodate 35 to 40,000 people there in the ashram itself. And it has got various kinds of accommodation. The picture what you see in front, these are the dormitories, and in these dormitories, इसमें कुछ air conditioned है, कुछ non-air conditioned है. And on the left side is a hotel. If someone wants to stay in hotel, so they can stay in hotel also. It has got about 40 rooms. उसके अलावा जो मेजर accommodation है, which is in the form of sheds or buildings with the kitchen arrangement, bathing and other arrangements, that is there for about 20,000 people. This is one of the views where you can, just go and sit down and meditate on your own. It gives a good environment to meditate in that environment. And there is obviously a huge kitchen which can accommodate about 20,000 people at any given time. And they have ultra modern facilities to cook food for the people, those who happen to be there during the functions there. A lot of stress is given on this aspect. In fact, this was arid land. There was no plantation, no tree at all. So this 1,400 acres of land, it has been developed into a green village now. And last year, a prize was given by Telangana state to our ashram. Now coming to what Heartfulness Institute is doing, okay, what are our offerings, हम कैसे काम करते हैं, लोगों तक हम कैसे पहुंचते हैं, okay? And when we start living naturally in tune with the qualities of the heart, then probably we get enlightened and we get refined through whatever practice of heartfulness meditation we do. This program is for all ages. It is not that it is meant for, this is a very, you can say, wrong myth. I should not be using this word, but this is a myth that meditation is actually meant for old people. I would say it is contrary to that. कि हम जितना जल्दी स्टार्ट करेंगे अपनी लाइफ में मेडिटेशन, उतना हमारा लाइफ उतना आगे बढ़ेगा. So we advocate that 15 to 16 years is the right age to start meditation, so that they can control their life. They know what are the right decisions, what are the wrong decisions. So they can, carry on with their life the way they want, not the way their teachers or their parents want. So they have their own self, which should be developed in that way. Now some of the benefits, what are the benefits? Heartfulness meditation, it gives you a natural state of focus and balance. Now what is this balance? This balance, our life has got two aspects. One is the material aspect, which we are very good at, and other is the spiritual aspect, which we are probably not that good what we should be. So when you do meditation on heart, you create that balance between the spiritual aspect and the material aspect. And second balance is, you will be able to balance your inner self and the outer self. You will be, what you can say is, you will say what you mean and you will mean what you say. So that kind of balance you can achieve. Then it gives you inner strength, it gives you intuitive guidance, and you will be able to manage the stressful situations. These situations will never change, they will never stop. But by doing meditation, we will be able to evolve ourselves to that level where we will be able to manage those situations more practically, in a better way. And when you get intuitive guidance from your heart and you have a clarity of mind which you develop through heartfulness meditation practices, your decision making also will improve. Okay? And what is this fulfillment? These desires what we have, the money or the promotion or whatever status we have, these are very temporary. But when you are in possession of something which no one can take away from you, that only can give you a real sense of fulfillment. And that is what is when you get connected to your own self or the divine in your heart. When you establish that connection, that probably can give you an everlasting sense of fulfillment. And then of course, when you are mentally and your body and mind is tuned, then you will have a good overall sense of well-being. So what we do in heartfulness meditation or practice, we focus on heart because we think heart is the seat of divinity, it is the seat of our soul, or it is the center of our living. So we focus on our heart, we take a thought that there is a divine light in my heart, and then we meditate on that. During that meditation, it's not that we ignore our mind. Thoughts thoughts will keep on coming, but we regulate those thoughts. Okay? And slowly we try and establish a very deep connection with our thought, with our heart, and that ultimately will lead to self-realization when there is an expansion of consciousness. We will be connecting tomorrow, which is very, very important. I request all of you to attend that. In that we will discuss what are samskaras, वो कैसे बनते हैं और संस्कारास का क्या रोल है जो हम बर्थ एंड रीबर्थ में चलते रहते हैं उनमें ये क्या कैसे हमारा हेल्प करता है and then there is a prayer which is not religious kind of prayer. There is a prayer between you and the ultimate divine, and then this whole process is aided by transmission of pranahuti, which is a yogic energy which is utilized to bring inner transformation within ourselves. So it's a very simple process. You can sit on the chair, you can sit the way you are sitting on the floor, whichever way you are. They have different phases, which are called sandhyas. So when day meets one sandhya meets another sandhya, that is the time when the nature is at perfect balance. So what we are so this is what we actually. So we should contract ourselves as much as possible. Which I am very sure in your Hatha Yoga also must have been taught to you. So that is why we make this pose when you are sitting, whatever pose you are sitting at, or when you are sitting on the chair, you just cross your legs and put your hands on this. And you have to close your eyes very gently. And when this meditation, say when I will conclude this, I will say that's all. Do not immediately open your eyes. The moment you open your eyes immediately, you will lose that condition. If at all you could acquire that condition immediately. So what we want is, we want to hold on to that condition, what we have acquired through meditation, and then slowly merge that condition with outside, as much possible. Within, say about 10-15 seconds, just open your eyes, close your eyes, and then open your eyes. Alright? So this is what is the, and thoughts I have already told you, कि thoughts तो आपको आएंगे, लेकिन हमने उन thoughts को आने देना और जाने देना, हमने उनके साथ जूझना नहीं है. Moment you attend to the thoughts, you empower those thoughts. So we do not want to waste energy by attending to those thoughts where we do not want that energy to be channelized in the thoughts. We want that energy to be conserved and channelized in the process what we are doing. Okay? So, like I have shown you, first we will do the relaxation, and then I will say please start meditation. Then you take a thought. There is a divine light already present in me, and it is attracting me inside. Okay? And keep feeling the divine light in you till I say slowly अपनी attention ankles पे लेके जाएं and feel करें कि आपके ankles और पाँव एकदम relaxed. Now महसूस करें कि धरती से हीलिंग एनर्जी आपके पाँव के थ्रू आपकी बॉडी में आ रही है और धीरे धीरे ऊपर बढ़ते हुए आपकी बॉडी को एकदम रिलैक्स कर रही है. स्लोली आपकी अटेंशन को लोअर लेग्स, नीज, लेग्स पे लेके जाएं एंड फील दैट हीलिंग एनर्जी के साथ